Hi there, Prateek here, founder of MakeForms. In the past video, we saw how to create a simple form, but in this one, we are going to see two powerful features, conditional logic and custom domains. These two features will make your form really smart and it will keep your brand front and center. So before we start, like and subscribe if you want to have more such videos where I break down forms, automation, and how to actually use them in real life. Alright, so let us start with conditional logic. So with conditional logic, you can control how the form behaves on the user's input. In this video, we will build a simple step form and control what the users see based on their age. And there's one more thing that we are going to do, but let's keep it a little surprise. So keep watching till the end of the video to see what it is. Alright, so first let's create a simple form, and this time we are going to create a step form. In step 1, we will ask the basics like the name, email, phone number, and age. And now what we want to really do is if their age is below 18, we do not want to show them the next step at all. And we just don't want them to continue the form. So now let's create a step 2 by clicking on the add page button. In step 2, let's ask for billing address and shipping address. Also, let's add another radio button that asks them if the shipping address is the same as the billing address. Now let's set up the logic. Inside the form editor, you will see the logic tab. Click add logic. For the first rule, select age field, set the condition as age is less than 18. Now select the action skip step and select step 2 and click on hide field and then hide the submit button. So what we are really doing is that we are hiding the next step and the submit button if the age is less than 18. Now, let us use the second logic. So in this logic, what we will do is we will compare the field which says is the shipping field same as the billing field, and we'll set that value to yes. And then in the action field, what we will do is we will select the change value of select shipping address, set it to the billing address, and then disable the shipping address. Now what happens is that when user says that both the addresses are same, the shipping address is automatically filled and locked. That is how powerful conditional logic is. You can control steps, fields, values, and flow all without writing a code. And this really makes your form powerful. Now, let us talk about another amazing feature, custom domains. When you use any form builder, they force them to use their domain. But with MakeForms, this changes completely. You can connect your own domain. For example, something like apply.yourdomain.com or book.yourdomain.com. But now let's see how to set it up. Go to the dashboard, click on domains, and then here you will see an option that says add your subdomain. So add anything that you like and click setup. Now MakeForms will give you the CNAME record. Copy this record and set it up in your DNS. Now as soon as the DNS is set, we will initiate the SSL and the hosting for you. So now, once it's set up completely, you will see a green lock. As soon as you see that, you can now start publishing the forms on your own domain. Isn't that amazing? So, yep, that's it for this video. You now know how to control the form flow with logic and how to run the forms on your own domain. So go ahead and try this in your MakeForms account today. If you need any help with setting up your forms, do not hesitate. Click on the link that I've given below in this description, fill out the form, and our team will be in touch with you soon. So that's it for today. Keep an eye for the next email. We will see something amazing that MakeForms can do. But till then, MakeForms, do it again. Thank you.